everyone. Today we are going to solve this equation using quadratic formula. And our equation is x squared minus 2x minus 24 is equals to 0. So it's good to always remember your quadratic formula, and please don't make mistake on it. So what does it say? It says x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And what is our a value? Our a value is 1 because the coefficient of x squared is 1. And b is equals to minus 2 and c is equals to minus 24. So we need to always remember these because we are going to substitute them in our formula. So now what does it say? X is equals to minus, and b is minus 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared is minus 2 squared minus 4, 1 and minus 24. And don't forget all over 2 times 1. And minus becomes positive, so we have 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared gives us 4, and minus 1 times minus 24 becomes positive, so it's going to be plus 96, and don't forget over 2. So we have 2 plus or minus the square root of 100 all over 2. And what is the square root of 100? Is 10. So we have 2 plus or minus the square root of which is 10 all over 2, right? So this, because we have plus or minus, so it means we are going to have two answers. So our x value is equals to either 2 plus 10 over 2, or it's going to be 2 minus 10 over 2 to give us the value 2 plus 10, that's 12, and you get 6. Or the x value is going to be 2 minus 10, it's minus 8, divided by 2, we get minus 4. So these are our x values. I hope you got it right. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.